All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's continue on. Right now, we're still using an exponential function. What we got to be able to recognize is that our function shares a parent, and that parent is already graphed on our coordinate plane. So a is equal to a in both of our functions. B is equal to b in both of our functions. What changes is now we're adding or subtracting something from the exponent, and then we're adding or subtracting something to the entire function from the parent function. Now, how this works, this is where the brain, you're gonna have to remember something because the brain's gonna want to do something opposite. We have to realize that our standard says that H is our horizontal translation, but we also have to be subtracting H, which means because my subtraction is occurring in our baby function, that's actually a positive translation. With that in mind, let's say I start here at 4. What that positive translation of 3 means is 3 units to the right. So I'm going to start, let's say here at 4 and go 1, 2. I held that too long. Get rid of that. So 1, 2, 3, because currently my scale is 2 units is from line to line. Now I look at k because I'm adding k in my baby function here, and the standard says I'm supposed to be adding k. That means k is positive. So that means I need to go up because it's a vertical translation, and I need to go up by 2. So I'm just going to go 1, 2. So right here is the new coordinate for my translated function. All right, if I do that again to 8, or the second point here, let's put you here. All right, so these are the 2 points I'm going to be using. Sorry, that was red. So here, again, I'm going to be moving 1, 2, 3 times to the right, and then I've got to move 1, 2 times up. So that's where I would end up. Now, the nice thing is, if I were to trace this, let's see how nicely I can trace this. Not very good. I'm going to slow down. Boom, boom, boom. I do not have an artist's hand, but I think that turned out pretty good. If I did this right, I can grab what would be the parent function and match it up by going up 2 over 3. And look, my baby function is going through those 2 points I just created. So I was able to translate this function by looking at what I was subtracting in the exponent, and if I'm subtracting, it's actually a positive movement to the right, and what I was adding to the function itself, and that means it's actually translating vertically up because it's positive. And what that does is it takes our parent function and does those 2 translations to it.